So today we're going to dig up some potatoes, and like we said earlier, we're going to show you. Hi Andy, this is Andy. He's our neighbor's cat. He likes to come visit sometimes. He's a cutie. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and dig up some of these potatoes to show you what harvest is supposed to look like.
You could use a pitchfork or a shovel.
Oh yeah, pitchfork or a
choice.
shovel. I want to get this side too. Okay, there's the other ones. They're starting to die. Some of them are still green.
Kind of get them when they're all dead, and don't leave them too long. They could sprout again and start growing or rot.
Yep.
You shovel a little away from the root because they grow mostly around the roots. You go at a distance like that. I think I try a pitchfork.
And we got this beautiful basket over the weekend at a yard sale.
Yep.
So we have something to put our potatoes in. Okay, so I'll come back in a second. Oh, is that where you're gonna do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
See? Not right here. That's where they are. You don't want to put a hole in them.
Okay. Here we go, guys.
This one.
The
Oops,
moment.
I got water.
He has water in his pocket.
Boom.
Let's see what
After
kind of
rain,
potatoes.
nice.
Yeah, it just got done raining, so. And we haven't had rain for a long time.
Guess I gotta get closer.
I think I see a potato.
Yeah,
Okay,
you see?
guys. Wait, leave it so people can see, honey. Yeah.
Yeah, they're coming up.
Beautiful.
Bigger than they were. Boy, where they came from.
That's that little worm there.
Most likely.
See him, that little worm?
See that? See how I didn't dig into it because I was at a distance?
Yeah.
You could puncture it.
Oh, good. There we go. This is fun.
Yeah, that's my most fun harvest. It's like a treasure hunt. You don't know what you'll find.
Ooh.
See, that almost went in. That's why when you buy potatoes in the store, sometimes you see marks there. I think they're from shovels.
That's from a pitchfork or something.
Even though they're commercially farmed, so I don't understand. Now from this side, how nice and deep. Waited for that rain again. But it was work deep to begin with. It's been a drought up here, so.
Look at that little baby potato.
Just one plant. You buy the seedling.
You see him, guys? I can't.
You buy, well, you can cut potatoes, parts of it with the eyes, or you could buy it from the store, and they usually did.
These little ones here didn't take so much, but.
No. But they're not going to grow anymore at this point. But
That's
you keep
why
looking.
you got to plant a lot of potatoes, right? So you can get a better.
Sure, I like to get 10, but there's
How
no
many did we get?
set amount. Looks like
1,
7.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, but 2 are small, so.
So 6, or 6 and 2 halves, huh? Or 5 and whatever you want to call it. Might be it. You see, you have a big thunderstorm that looks all wet on top, and a drought means it's still dry underneath.
Oh.
Too dry.
Yeah.
It's a very dry summer.
Maybe try that one, or is that one not dead enough?
Not yet. That was really got some leaves left.
Oh, here's one.
Maybe this one. See, in between.
All right, let's try this one. Okay, guys, now it's my turn, and we're gonna try this here. Let's see. Nothing.
I see him.
I see him.
I see him.
See him?
It's so much fun.
Ooh, look.
And we get the basket. That's the biggie of the day. Add to that beautiful harvest. These are Yukon Golds. Our favorites.
See him?
Yeah. Lovely.
All right, let me go here.
Got a little more, different sides of it. That's right.
And there's
Look at that.
another beauty.
Isn't
Honey,
That's the
I'm
most.
just trying to show you so you could film it.
Yep.
There we
Such
go.
a fun harvest. There you go.
Look at that treasure.
Beauties. For me, they make the best baked.
Ooh, there's one right here.
Look at that. And you want to get careful not to go into this plant. There's still some life left in it. They fall over and they get brown. So that might have come from that. That's as far as you want to go there. Beautiful.
Oh, geez, there's a lot of them, Dave.
They got about 5 there. More. Yeah. Smaller. But all together works out. Nice, huh?
I think it is coming from this other one.
It might.
See ya?
And then another. That's why. See, the little smaller, they got a little time left to grow.
Oh. Okay.
So now we could just check and see. But there may be no more. Or maybe a shovel.
I don't think so. There's no more here.
Look at that night crawler.
I know.
Now, we're vegans. We don't fish, but I'm sure that'd be a fisherman's delight. See him?
All right. Okay, this one's done.
Okay. I give the... All right.
Okay, guys, here's another plant we're going to do.
Wow. Look at that.
Wow. Oh, see, the pitchfork
Caught
went
this
through
one.
that one.
See
Wait.
what happens?
Yeah.
So when you see that in the store, like, well, it's usually not like that.
Ah,
You see little marks. Can't help
that's okay.
it. What?
That's okay.
Look at that. Beauties.
That's good. Ah,
There's
look at that.
Oh, nice. They look long like a russet, huh? But they're all Yukon Gold.
Those are all
Yellow.
Yukons.
I think there's more.
Oh, look at that little
Worms.
baby. There's a little baby one. Oh,
Not a
see?
nightcrawler, but
Well, you
the
have
worms
to,
have been good
if
to
you're
them.
going to show them, you got to put it by the camera. Like that. He'll find a new home. There's another
Put
one.
them back. Whoa, whopper.
That's a good one.
See what I mean? Wait till the end and you get the maximum growth.
Yep,
Put this
even Rick
brush
said.
someplace up, Rick.
Even Rick said that too.
Ah,
His
Hey,
friend.
Rick.
Hello, Rick, if you're watching.
Hopefully.
Your friend was right, Rick.
And what was that about?
Wait till they die, the plant dies. Yeah. And then you see the treasure. But of course you've been saying that.
But you can get them after they flower if you really need potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
And you don't care if they grow to their max. If you're really out, you're
The
out.
last ones we got was delicious. Even though they were small, they were so good.
That seems to be it, but you know, I go over it with a shovel to make sure.
He likes to
This
get
way
way
to
down
gather it up sometime.
there. Yeah. Our
Look for
basket's almost
shovel.
full.
It's really a choice you make.
Maybe that one too, since I got
There's
close to
some
it.
leaves left, see? Rather wait a little. You see how much
All
bigger
right.
these were than the last harvest? When
Yeah.
didn't wait to the end.
Yeah. Of course, those little ones were tasty. If you like small. Oh, look at that. Is that glass?
Rock.
No, I saw something shiny
Did
down
you?
there. That's what's strange about this land is that we found a lot of old bottles and glass
yeah.
and things. And it looked like, well, back in the old days, they took a lot of junk and buried it because they didn't have amenities like we do nowadays. You know, they didn't have dumps and things like that. They just took their bottles and buried it.
It looks like it. But always
Yep.
double check. I like to double check with a shovel. And he digs deeper, and I thought a pitchfork would avoid it. With one casualty, but that's what you don't want to sit. You want to eat that right away. That could have been a rock or a tiny potato, but it's a rock. I think we reached the end of it.
So when we were down here shoveling and digging up this dirt, we did this all by hand.
And then a
and
tiller, but
tons and tons of rocks. Show
They
them the
never
rocks.
stop. They just never stop.
Yeah, see? Tons of rocks come out. We
Well,
had a big pile of rocks.
Just fill it in
But
after.
we did this all by ourselves.
Yeah,
No help.
We used to that.
And
People are
of course,
independent where we live.
yeah, people up here are very hardy and independent, and they like to do their thing, you know. And we do too. We just don't even have time for real friends, really. It's hard to say that, but
I wish there were 48 hours in one day, and that people didn't need to sleep. So
And
much more would be
plus
accomplished.
that a lot of people that we know nowadays, they don't even drive, so that's hard that we'd have to go pick them up, bring them
True.
here, and then take them back, and we just don't have the time.
Not
So
really.
a little YouTube once in a while. I'm hoping to make a little friends here on YouTube, just a little community, and you know, just somebody to talk to once in a while. And that's pretty much the purpose of this channel, really, is to learn, teach somebody, and hopefully you guys will have learned a little something from our mistakes of the earlier crop. And look at all the we got today.
Beautiful, bountiful.
That's our beautiful harvest today.
Estimated weight,
Yeah,
maybe 10 pounds.
about 10 pounds of potatoes.
What would I pay
And
for
that
in
was
the
under
store?
3 plants.
I might pay $8 for that.
Oh, $8 he figures
I
he'd
think in
pay
today's
for
prices,
this,
I
for
just
today's
paid $7
prices.
for a 10-pound of russet, and these are worth more than russet.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, he paid about
And that was a low
$7,
price.
he's saying.
Local supermarket. These are organic as well, of course.
These are all organic. Look at
Yeah.
them. They're beautiful. All right,
Oh,
guys.
There's more here, and there's more up in another place.
We got a
there in
little bit
Canada.
more here, but we're not going to do this today. There's
No.
some here
I think
and
the
here, and
best
then
way
there's
to-
some up in the other garden.
best way to
so.
preserve potatoes, leave them in the ground as long as you can.
But we promised you this video,
That's
and
right.
hopefully you liked it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.
Hit that bell.
And yep, hit the bell,
So you
and
know.
we'll all talk again. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.